So this was my very first time trying to cut a bob. Everyone was with the bayang. I was like, I want a bayang too.
805, I got us on my way to making checks with double commas, piling up to blow a couple bags with all y'all, and crush you ever wishing I can back where I'm done. Step before I get harm done, hit that lift for my soul.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying to transform this wig. I've literally only worn it once. Yeah, it looks horrible. It looks very horrible. It's one of those wigs with a rounded top, and you put a little, I don't know, is it a cap or whatever round thing on it. I don't know what to call it, but anyway, I bought this while I was back home in Valcom, and yeah, I actually had saved the packaging because I was gonna show you guys way back when before I started a YouTube channel. I literally it's funny, I recorded so many videos in hopes that I would one day start a YouTube channel. But the crazy thing is, I don't have those videos anymore, or those pictures. So yeah, this is how the hair is looking. It looks horrible. It looks ridiculous. I'm just gonna wash it. I started cutting the wig while it is wet because, well, I don't know. So I basically started off cutting it sideways, so it wasn't looking too blunt, and then I kept doing that. After a while I was like, whatever, and I cut it straight just to cut off the length because I wasn't gonna finish any minute soon. So yeah, too wide of a parting in the front. I made a long bang that was quite unnecessary, but yeah. Okay, then after I was satisfied with, I don't think I was satisfied yet. I did a lot of cutting even after I stopped. I kept trying the wig on to see the length. So this was my very first time trying to cut a bob. Everyone was with the bayang. I was like, I want a bayang too, but I didn't have a wig that had bangs already, and I wasn't going to go out buy a wig. And this wig was pretty new still. The texture is very soft and fluffy and silky smooth as well, actually. So I was like, it's pretty good. Just that I haven't been wearing it. I only wore it once. I didn't like it because there was nothing special about it. I mean, it looked nice when I first bought it, but there was nothing really that, you know, like eye-catching, perfect. I just hated the fact that I couldn't part it because it's made in a circle. The tracks are made in a circle all the way up to the center. After straightening it, I took my curling iron. I think the name of the brand is Mondale. It goes up to 200 degrees, and I only used 170 degrees because this hair is not real hair. It's definitely synthetic, although it can definitely take the heat as well. But that's what I did, and I curled the hair outwards, away from the face, and it was literally just hold each curl till it cools down enough, and then I just repeated the process till I finished. And the crazy thing, guys, I literally curled the front of the hair. I curled the bangs and it was not looking good, so I just straightened it back, and afterwards I just used this spray. It's a holding spray. It's called VO5 or something, but basically I bought it at Click. So here's a close-up of how the
Serious when I'm up in my world. They never realize that I'm about to put in work. That ain't no.
I'm done, and yeah, this is how it's looking. It's okay, but I'll give it like 5 out of 10 or something. Stay tuned for this weekend's video on peer pressure, or if you want to be part of the conversation, go DM me and watch out for my Instagram poll on questions I'll be posting there. Bye.